In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Shopify announcement bar. The announcement bar is that slim strip at the very top of your storefront where you can highlight things like free shipping, a seasonal promo, or important updates. Keeping it clear and current helps visitors notice what matters right away. I'll walk you through the exact path to update it, and along the way, I'll share quick tips so your message looks great on your live store. First, from your Shopify admin, look to the left-hand sidebar and choose Online Store. This takes you to the area that controls how your storefront looks and feels. You'll land on the Themes section, where you can manage your current live theme and any drafts you might be working on. If you have multiple themes, make sure you're working with the one that's set as your live theme or the draft you intend to publish later. Next, select Edit Theme. This opens the visual theme editor, where you can see a live preview of your store on the right and all the editable sections on the left. Think of this as your design workspace. You can move between pages, switch device previews, and instantly see changes before publishing them. If your theme uses different templates for the home page and product pages, you can still access the announcement bar from here, since it appears globally across most pages. Now, in the left panel of the theme editor, locate the announcement bar and click it. Depending on your theme, it may be listed as its own section or appear within the header section. Once you're in, you'll see controls that focus specifically on that top banner. This is where you can manage the content and settings that visitors will see first. From here, edit the text to say exactly what you want. Keep it short, direct, and action-oriented, something like a concise promo with a clear benefit. If your theme supports it, you can also add a link so the message sends shoppers to a relevant page, such as a collection or a promotion landing page. Aim for contrast between the text and background so it's easy to read, and avoid overly long sentences that might wrap awkwardly on mobile. Preview your change on desktop and mobile within the editor to make sure it looks good at both sizes. When you're happy with the wording and formatting, save your changes. Then give your storefront a quick refresh in a separate browser tab to confirm everything looks and behaves as expected. That's it, your announcement bar is updated and ready to inform and convert.